In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can bomb jump here in Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, open up your weapons menu and obviously just make sure that you have an explosive weapon equipped. A lot of people like to say that the grenade launcher is like by far the easiest. I actually don't think it is. I think the RPG is easier, but the grenade launcher does have more ammo, so it is easier to demonstrate with. Essentially, go ahead and equip the weapon, and the entire process of this is aiming essentially the grenade or any explosive weapon at your feet. Essentially, just jump, move forward, slide, and then shoot the explosive at your feet, just like so. And it's going to launch you up while moving. Once again, you want to go ahead and move, and then of course slide, and then shoot this up, and you'll be good to go. You can also jump slide to travel further. But that's really the entire process. Now, what you can also do is go ahead and like turn around while doing this. So say like you're trying to like get an edge on your opponent. For example, we'll say the trash can, right? If you're running from them like this, you could slide, do that, and then of course take them out. It's super easy. It may take a few tries to get used to, though, I will be honest. But of course, once you get the hang of it, you will be, doing this pretty much every single time. It's just a good movement technique to pick up on. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.